If I told somebody that I could levitate a can of green tea across the table, that it's literally just a solid can and it floats across it, they'd say that's impossible. I don't believe that for a second. Then you look at it and you go, okay, hold on, you attach some device to it. But then the question becomes, how does the device on top of the can make the can float? Actually, really simple. So here's what I did. I have a remote controlled electric motors with batteries attached to them. The motor on the front has the axle pointed directly forward. The motor on the back has the axle pointed to the left. The axle on the back largely didn't do much. The point there was to try and create gyroscopic stabilization to prevent it from falling over and to assist with turns, which we didn't have a big enough wheel on it. So the idea would work, but I didn't really care to do it anyway. So on the front is a bottom of a can of Arizona. I took an Arizona can, cut the bottom off, glued it, taped it to the front axle so that it would spin. It was slightly off axis. The hole in the center of the bottom of the Arizona can was off by about a degree. This would create a wobble. I taped up all the edges because I didn't want a blade, aluminum. What happens then is, with the added weight on the front of the can, it causes it to tilt forward ever so slightly. Now, for the can itself, it's heavy, so it's not going to fall over from this. When you begin to spin the front, what this does is the wobble creates vibration, and the weight leans it forward, and the vibration makes it wobble forward.